Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of pain relief and nighttime sleep aids with the best Welly Stomach Soother available in the market. Let's get started. Meet Welly Remedies PM Pain Reliever, the ultimate solution for those pesky nighttime aches, pains, and sleeplessness. This powerhouse formula combines the trusted active ingredients of acetaminophen and diphenhydramine HCl to provide effective relief when you need it most. What sets Welly Remedies apart from the rest? Well, for starters, each soft gel is packed with 500 mg of acetaminophen and 25 mg of diphenhydramine HCl, delivering sweet relief from minor aches and pains while promoting restful sleep. Plus, it's made with the same active ingredients as the leading brands, so you know you're getting quality you can trust. But that's not all. Welly Remedies PM Pain Reliever is free from artificial flavors, dyes, parabens, and talc, making it a clean and conscious choice for your medicine cabinet. Because at Welly, they believe what you put in your body is just as important as what you leave out. Whether you're dealing with headaches, muscle aches, or just can't seem to catch those Z's, Welly Remedies PM Pain Reliever has you covered. And with 44 soft gels in each bottle, you'll have plenty on hand whenever you need it. So why wait? Upgrade your medicine cabinet with Welly Remedies PM Pain Reliever today and say goodbye to nighttime discomfort for good. Don't forget to hit that Add to Cart button and experience the relief you deserve. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy shopping.